Hey guys, what's up? And I finally got Mulan. Yeah, it's a Steelbook of the animated Mulan, the better one with the Mushu. Got that. Cover, spine, and back. There's all the info, except for just the description. Special features. So excited. If I had to pick which one's my favorite out of the two versions of Mulan, the live or the animated, I'll go with the animated. Much better. Sounds like something's a little loose in there. Hopefully it's not damaged. There's the back with Wushu. There's the inside. There's one. Like the cover. So we do have this card. 4K Blu-ray Mulan Mushu. Sorry. Gotta love Mushu. And there's the inside. Mulan running from the Huns. The horse. Horse is a horse, of course, of course. Yeah, after watching the live action, I like this one a lot better. It was always one of my favorite. But there's the live action. Or not the animated Mulan, like the cover. She's about to put on her helmet. And I will be giving away the digital code. To enter, you just comment down below, and don't forget to be a subscriber or become a new subscriber and like this video. And also when you comment, put in a little dragon if you have one, because don't forget Mushu. Anyways, that's it for this video. I will be doing some Funko Pop unboxings for the next 4 days because I got some new ones, so keep an eye out for those, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.